Alright everybody, in this video we're going to be talking about creating links and images with making the images links, clicking on the image and boom, it goes to whatever you want to go to. So ready? Let's get started. Alright, welcome back everybody. Now here we go. Let's get started with this. First, obviously, we have to open up Atom. Double click on that. And really don't need these two because we've already went through that. And let's File, create a new file. And down here in the right hand corner, plain text, type in HTML, HTML go. And so here we go, it's HTML, and with init installed, the green arrow there, all we gotta do is press tab, and everything pops up. Now here for the title, since we're gonna be messing around with links and images, let's just put links and images. Real simple, stupid stuff. Alrighty. Alright. Now when you create a link, you have to do it through an anchor tab, just the A right there. So we'll do A tab, and the href is the reference. Then let's go with http semicolon / www.yahoo.com. And always make sure, if you're not using Emmet, you have the closed off right there. And if you just do it this way, it's not going to show anything. So your link is going to be what you type in between here. Let's go to Yahoo. Alright, so File, Save As. And we're going to save it in the program here, which is on the desktop program right there. And let's go links images .html. Make sure you put the HTML in there, or HTM, either one works. Save. Alright, now let's head on over to the program here, double click, links and images, open that up, and here it is in the top corner, go to Yahoo. Click on that, boom, takes us to yahoo.com. Back, so now for the images part. What we're going to do for this one is it's practically the same thing, just the image edited. So we'll do the anchor tab, the href, let's make this one Google. http semicolon / www.google.com. Now since we're doing this with an image, we don't need to type anything right here. We'll do img for the image, and the src, the source, that's where you're going to locate your image. And as you have noticed in here, I have images. Double click and there's all my images right there. And so for that, you have to type in images / and then whatever your image's name. Then the one we're going to go for Google is google.jpg. Now to find out what type of image it is, it's real simple. You'll just go to the image, right click, then properties down here, and you see, boom, it's a JPEG file, JPG, and click OK. And back to Atom, And the alt here, it's alternate. It's if your image cannot show, this will what will say is this is Google's image. Now, for also, we're going to want to make the style a little different, because sometimes the image is way too big. So, style equals, open up, let's do the width as 200 pixels, and height, make that 200 pixels as well. And always put the semicolon after both of those. And since we're going to be putting more than one image in, let's do a float. Still got to be between the inside the quotations. We'll go float and let's make the Google image be on the left. Semicolon. Control save. Let's just preview this one in HTML, and there's the Google image. Now, as you notice, when I hover over it, the hand pops up. Click that, and it takes us to Google's homepage. Real simple. And how about this? Let's add in one more. Alright, we'll have to do another anchor, and the href for this one, let's do Twitter. So http semicolon / www.twitter.com. Now for in between with the image, we'll go image. The source is where it was located, and as you have seen, the image is here. Double click, and there's the Twitter logo. So source images / Twitter.jpg, because it was a JPEG file, and the alt, but this is Twitter's image. And let's just stick with some style here. Style equals width. Let's just do the same thing, just the 200 pixels each. Semicolon and 200 pixels. Semicolon. And as well, because this still has to be inside quotes, we'll do a float and make it on the right side. Semicolon. And so let's do Control S and then save it. And this time let's see what it looks like on an actual web page. Open up here, Google's image, Twitter's image, and then go to Yahoo. We can go to Yahoo, takes us there. Google takes us to Google's homepage, and then Twitter takes us to Twitter's homepage. All simple stuff. This stuff's real easy. It just takes practice. Exit out, go back to Adam, and that's it for this episode. Really fast, nothing much to it. It just takes practice. Next time we will be adding in some CSS, which stands for cascade style sheet. So after that, we'll do some CSS, make everything look better, put in a wallpaper or the background color. We'll do some IDs and just learn how to make it look really good, locations on everything. Alright, and that's it for this episode.